Welcome back to Autocars Play. Today we are taking a closer look at the brand new 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross, a compact SUV that has been making waves for its combination of practicality, style, and Toyota's legendary reliability. Over the years, the Corolla name has been associated with affordable dependability, and with the Corolla Cross, Toyota has managed to extend that legacy into the SUV segment, giving buyers something that is not only family-friendly but also stylish, modern, and efficient. The 2026 model comes with significant updates that make it more competitive in a market full of strong rivals. On the outside, the 2026 Corolla Cross gets a sharper and more dynamic design language. The front fascia has been redesigned with a more aggressive grille, slimmer LED headlights, and a bolder stance that makes it look more premium than before. Toyota has also added new wheel designs and a slightly wider body profile, which not only improves its road presence but also gives it a stronger SUV feel. The rear has also been refreshed with sleeker taillights and a modern bumper design, creating a well-balanced look that appeals to both young buyers and families. Moving inside, Toyota has really stepped up the game. The interior of the 2026 Corolla Cross feels more upscale than its predecessor. A larger touchscreen display takes center stage, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with Toyota's latest infotainment system, which is faster and more user-friendly. Soft touch materials have been added throughout the cabin, and higher trims come with leather upholstery, a panoramic sunroof, and ambient lighting, giving the SUV a more luxurious vibe. The seating is spacious and supportive, making long drives comfortable for both the driver and passengers. Cargo space is also generous, with split folding rear seats to handle everything from grocery trips to family road trips. Under the hood, the 2026 Corolla Cross offers multiple engine options depending on the market. The standard gasoline engine is efficient and reliable, but what really grabs attention is the hybrid version, which combines excellent fuel economy with smooth performance. The hybrid system not only saves money at the pump but also reduces emissions, aligning with Toyota's push toward greener mobility. Some markets may even see an all-wheel drive variant, adding extra confidence for those who drive in tougher conditions. Safety, of course, is a major highlight. The 2026 Corolla Cross comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and more. This makes it one of the safest choices in its class and a great option for families who want peace of mind on the road. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross manages to blend everything buyers want in a modern SUV style: comfort, technology, efficiency, and safety. It's clear that Toyota is determined to keep this model at the top of the compact SUV segment. If you're looking for a practical yet stylish SUV that doesn't compromise on reliability, the new Corolla Cross might just be the perfect choice.